Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs have definitely made it into the public's mind, since many well-known people now own one of these valuable digital assets. ApeCoin, which was just added to the crypto market, is another asset based on apes that could be very valuable in the future. This video goes into detail about our ApeCoin price prediction. It talks about what ApeCoin is and how it might do. Before we start discussing in detail, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon as well. ApeCoin price history. Before you run out and buy ApeCoin, it's a good idea to know what it is and how it works. ApeCoin is fairly new to the cryptocurrency market, but what we know about the project so far looks good. Because of this, investors are starting to pay attention in the hopes of getting better returns than the market. ApeCoin is, in a nutshell, an ERC20 token made for governance and use. ApeCoin is a cryptocurrency that runs on the Ethereum blockchain. It was made and released by ApeCoin DAO, which is a decentralized autonomous organization whose only goal is to grow the coin over the next few years. This is where things can get a little confusing, because ApeCoin is also the official token of the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT collection. But, contrary to what most people think, Yuga Labs, the company that owns the NFT collection, did not make ApeCoin. It's not clear why Yuga Labs has distanced itself from the creation of ApeCoin, but it could have something to do with government rules. CoinMarketCap says that there are a maximum of 1 billion ape tokens, but there are only 277.5 million in circulation right now. At its current price, ApeCoin has a market cap of $4.2 billion. This makes it the 45th largest cryptocurrency in the world. Even though ApeCoin just came out a few weeks ago, it has become very popular in a short amount of time. What does ApeCoin do, though? First, ApeCoin was given as a reward to people who own Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFTs. The original Bored Apes owners got 10,094 tokens, which are worth more than $150,000 at today's prices. 15% of Ape tokens will go to NFT holders, and 47% will go to the DAO to help grow the project over the next few years. Chart of ApeCoin prices. ApeCoin can be bought at many of the best cryptocurrency exchanges by people who don't have NFT. ApeCoin can then be used as a payment method. Since Ape is the DAO's governance token, token holders will also be able to vote on proposals made by other members of the community. The stock price of ApeCoin started trading on March 17th at $5 and jumped by more than 250% in the first 48 hours. After hitting $18 a P, pulled back a bit and is now heading back to this area to test it again. Since there isn't much price information available, it's hard to say how high ApeCoin's price could go if previous highs are broken soon. ApeCoin price prediction 2022. ApeCoin is already getting a lot of attention from the media. If the price keeps going up, it could be one of the best altcoins in 2022. As with all new token listings, it's hard to make accurate predictions based on technical analysis because the price is still forming patterns. We can still make some predictions, though, based on what we know about the project and its future use cases. As we've already talked about, the main way to use ApeCoin is as a decentralized payment method. At the moment, it's not clear which projects ApeCoin wants to work with, but there are rumors that the token could be used in a number of blockchain-based games. Fortune.com said that Animoca Brands, one of ApeCoin's first investors, may use Ape in a new project, which would help increase demand for the token. At the moment, ApeCoin can only be used for another project by Animoca Brands. Popular play-to-earn mobile game Benji Bananas has added Ape and made it possible for users to earn tokens by playing well. Even though this is just one way ApeCoin can be useful, it paves the way for more similar uses in the future. If the people who made ApeCoin can work with more well-known gaming projects, the demand for Ape won't just be driven by speculation. With this in mind, our Ape price prediction for 2022 says that the coin could reach $50 by the end of 2022. ApeCoin price prediction 2023. For ApeCoin to be seen as one of the most undervalued cryptocurrencies, it would need to come up with some uses for the token that make it more than just a meme coin. This could be hard because of how close it is to the NFT space, but the shape of the coin suggests that it may be useful in the real world in the coming months and years. Since token holders control the ApeCoin DAO, ApeCoin can be anything it wants to be. On the official ApeCoin forum, there have already been a lot of ideas about staking and distributing tokens. As time goes on, community members are likely to come up with more ideas that could be good for the price of the token. We've already talked about how ApeCoin is governed and how it can be used in games, but it can also be used to pay merchants. Given the size and status of the coin right now, not many businesses have chosen to accept Ape. But Investing.com just reported that Saltwater Brewery will start taking ApeCoin as a form of payment, which could lead to more stores doing the same. But for ApeCoin to be one of the best Web 3.0 coins, it needs to be used in many different fields. This could be a problem, since the coin's name and history have already made it a meme in some places, which may not be fair. So, institutional investors probably won't see much of a future for Ape beyond using it for rewards and speculation. Because of this, our ApeCoin price prediction for 2023 is that the coin will be worth $90 by the end of the year, as retail investors will bid up the token's price. From where ApeCoin is now, this would be an increase of 1685%. ApeCoin price prediction for the long-term 2025 forecast. ApeCoin's success may become clearer in the long run, once the coin gets a reputation for being useful instead of a place for speculation. The ApeCoin DAO seems likely to look into the metaverse as one way to go. This may have already happened, since Yuga Labs recently gave a sneak peek at its next project, which is called The Other Side. According to CNET, The Other Side looks like an MMORPG where owners of the Bored Ape Yacht Club can use their NFTs as avatars in a virtual world that was made just for them. At the moment, we don't know much about the project because we've only seen a short trailer. However, Yuga Labs did tweet, "See you on the other side" in April. The fact that this is happening so soon after ApeCoin was released makes it more likely that the token will be added to this metaverse. The Other Side ApeCoin. But what would this mean in the long run for ApeCoin? In the end, it would help ApeCoin become one of the best metaverse coins, since Bored Ape Yacht Club's popularity already helps it. Also, well-known NFT owners are likely to be interested in this project, which would increase demand for Ape if it is used as the native token of the metaverse. If this series of events happens, it would make ApeCoin much more useful and get rid of any links to other meme coins that don't work. So, our ApeCoin price forecast for 2025 says that by the end of that year, the coin could be worth $135. ApeCoin price prediction, conclusion. In this video, we've talked about how we think the price of ApeCoin will change in the coming months and years, as well as how it can be used and how much it could be worth. Even though the token doesn't have much use, this could change in the future, which would help the Ape price go up in the long run. But if you want to invest in another altcoin, we recommend Battle Infinity, which is the most exciting new crypto and NFT project, and Tamadoge, which is a new meme coin that lets you play games and earn money. The beta sale ends on September 2nd and has already made over $750,000. The presale will end in the fourth quarter of 2022. So, that's it for today. If you still have questions, please leave a comment below and our team will do its best to address them as quickly as possible. You may get all the latest information by pressing the bell icon and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.